Welcome to Fluent English with Shah to Education Report. Today we talk about the psychology of successful students and how top students develop strong habits, discipline and positive thinking. This report is in slow and easy English for learners around the world. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Part 1 Introduction. Many people believe successful students are naturally more intelligent than others. However, experts say success often depends more on habits and mindset than talent alone. Top students usually develop discipline, focus, and healthy routines over time. Today, we discuss how successful students think differently and what habits support academic growth. Part 2 Positive Mindset and Confidence. Successful students often believe improvement is possible through learning and effort. Experts call this a growth mindset. These students understand mistakes are part of learning. Instead of giving up after failure, they continue practicing and improving. Confidence grows slowly through experience and consistent effort. Positive thinking helps students stay motivated during difficult situations. Part 3 Time Management and Discipline. Experts say successful students manage time carefully. They usually follow study routines and avoid unnecessary distractions. Time management reduces stress before exams and assignments. Successful students often complete important tasks before deadlines. Discipline helps them continue studying even when motivation decreases. Daily consistency creates stronger academic results over time. Part 4 Avoiding distractions and negative habits. Modern life contains many distractions. Social media, entertainment, and unhealthy habits can reduce concentrations. Successful students usually control distractions more effectively. Experts encourage students to use technology wisely and focus on long-term goals. Avoid wasted time helps students improve productivity and learning. Part 5 Learning Habits of Top Students. Top students often use effective learning strategies. They revise lessons regularly and ask questions when they do not understand something. Experts say active learning improves memory and understanding. Reading books, taking notes, and practicing regularly strengthen academic performance. Successful students continue learning even outside classrooms. Part 6 Learning from Failure. Failure is part of every learning process. Experts say successful students do not allow failure to stop their progress. Instead, they analyze mistakes and continue improving. Fear of failure often prevents some students from trying again. However, resilience and patience help students become mentally stronger. Growth takes time and persistence. Part 7 The psychology of successful students is based on discipline, learning patience, and positive thinking. Experts encourage students to build routines, stay focused, and avoid distractions, continue learning, believe in improvement. Academic success grows through small daily actions and long-term consistency. Every student has the ability to improve step by step. Final message. You have been listening to Education Report. Thank you for joining us today. Continue practicing English every day and never stop learning. Please like, share and subscribe for more education report, videos and easy English lessons. See you next time. Thank you very much.